Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. And aren't these yellow box women's Africa sandal flip-flops so beautiful? They really take flip-flops to the next level. The straps are so pretty and shiny, and the embellishments make them really stand out. I'm a size 9 and they are true to my size. They can easily be dressed down with jeans or shorts during the day and worn with a dress or skirt for a more dressy look. And I love them for vacation because they're so versatile and it's one less decision to make. They go with just about anything. They're about a 1-inch platform with a 1 3/4-inch heel. The footbed is so smooth. It's nice and contoured, so it keeps your feet so comfortable. And it has the beautiful yellow box logo with flower. Also, at the very bottom of the shoe is the yellow box pattern. I just love the style of these yellow box women's Africa sandals. They are so comfortable and so versatile, and they're just a great piece to have in my wardrobe. And that's my point of view.